Hey guys, we are at a world famous Mouse Creek in Tennessee fishing for Coosa bass. Out here with my buddy Jim and John, and they were a little skittish today.
I don't even know how many fish there have to be in there. There has to be so many.
Yeah, I would love to know how many are in there. Any of those places, even those ditches I sent you to, there's tons of them.
Yeah, you see them popping up everywhere.
Yeah.
Pop up.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I now
That was an accidental find as a bowfin spot, because I saw an article in like the North Carolina Game and Fish magazine about catching redfin pickerel there, so that's what I went there for. And then my buddy got a bowfin on a white rooster tail. I was like, huh. And I had some, I don't think I got any that day, but I had some hits.
the first time I went there, I didn't get a bite from a single thing. I fished it for a couple hours, and it was great, like cut bait and everything. I can't remember what all I used. I used everything. Second time I went there, you can catch them on anything. Whatever I threw out there, I was getting a bite on.
You caught much? Bowfins?
I won't say I've caught a lot, but I've caught a few. I've never really targeted them. They've been more incidental catch.
Yeah. Well, there's these places like the one you saw in that video. Actually, both places were in that video, because I got one at Conrad's spot, and that's all you're going to catch for the most part.
That's okay.
It's crazy. How's anything else living in?
If they're loaded in there, I'll fish one.
They are.
I'm sure I got my flippers.
Yeah, I don't fish for those without a net. Our friend Conrad likes to say, if you're not bleeding, you're not fishing. He bleeds all the time fishing for those things.
I mean, it is one nice area.
Oh, look at that. Look at that big one right there.
I don't see him.
See him? He's sitting right there.
Oh yeah, right on the flat rock.
That's a good spot. It's hard to get a cast in there. If you can get in there and get a cast, it's a good little depot. But you can sneak in there. But there's not. But other than that, it's up here. You're kind of up and normal.
Bad thing about these old lines, you never know what weight they are, because they didn't use numbers back then. They used letters, because everything at one point was silk, so it's always the same density, so they just used letters for diameter.
Yeah.
That wasn't good, Kevin.
Yeah, the creek down there is a Little Wolf Teeper Creek, and I've seen some giant red ear in that creek. It's got a lot more largemouth. It's about the size of this.
Okay.
Like this, but it didn't.
Any more hits?
No.
But you can't leave them, right? Are there? Oh, is that one right there? There's one. Two of them. Yeah. And there's one looking at you.
There's a lot of fish in them. Whenever you get to those, you see all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, the one that Jim's fishing there, we were looking at it at one point and probably saw 4 or 5 of them. Nice ones, like 10 inchers. You said you got it on a popper?
Yeah, so I had that, and then I saw them, and I was just, to get a couple on the bite, I just kind of go, choo, 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 and then they came up and hit it. I was like following it underneath. It was pretty cool. The last one I caught was really fun to watch.
On that foam spotter there?
No, it's a little popper.
I changed, I just been kind of going through a few different things, just see what.
That's one of those bugle bugs.
Yeah.
Those are good poppers.
They love those down in Alabama.
Yeah. Well, they're from Birmingham.
Are they from there? Okay,
Yeah.
that's why they love them there.
Oh.
Okay, let's go up and get in that pool. Okay. There we go. All right. Finally got one.
Yeah, I got a red breast in here.
Did you? Are there long ear in here?
There is. Not a lot.
Yeah. That's one species I've never caught is long ear. Yeah? There's a fish there. Oh, there's a good one. Nice one. It's a Coosa. Yep. Nice little Coosa bass. So you've gotten 20 by now? That's it.
I think a red breasted shiner is all I've got in the last 30 minutes.
I got one Coosa down there, so I've gotten 2, but that's all I've gotten.
Yeah.
I've lost 2 more bass.
You said you had a really nice one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's like a waterfall,
Yeah.
big rock that goes across. And I got below it, put my fly up right on the edge of the rock.
Yeah.
Dropped it off into the water. This guy came up out from underneath the undercut and took it. I had him on for 5 seconds and turned off.
Yeah.
He was nice. He was bigger than the other one.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I skipped over that. I had there's fish through there. I just couldn't really get many.
Casting's tough.
Yeah. I would see them like as I'm getting ready to cast, and I see them swim off, spook up. But yeah, I would head back from here, and I mean you can walk it all the way, but there's not as many good stretches.
Okay, we'll do it. Maybe go hit your
I'd go
the parking lot.
It's a good time. And you can go upstream from there a little bit.
Yeah.
Like it just doesn't get as much pressure, I think. So I think that's why it gets more fish, but it also it's got more flow there.
It's wide open too, Jim.
Yeah, and you're in a gully. You're in a gully. Yeah. It's real open. You get in there and cast.
There we go. I think that's a Coosa too. Yep. Yep. Hold on, hold on. There we go. Oh. There we go. Not sunfish. Bluegill probably. Ah, that was a good hit. God dang it. There we go. Oh, I saw that was a Coosa. There's a bunch. There we go. Finally. Not a very big one, but he counts. And you see, I took a nice slide. What? I took a nice slide down the slope on my belly. Yeah. Oh, there's one there. There we go. And they come off so easy. Here's where the active fish are. Yeah, I see you looking at it. That's a Coosa. That's a good one. And he's done.